Welcome, Shelly Saenz-Haro here, and it's time to put on our realtor hat and then also to become a social butterfly. So I want to invite realtors to visit my Etsy shop to take a look and see if some of my templates will meet some of your marketing needs. I have one here. In fact, let me get my glasses on quick. I'll always carve out time for you and your referrals, and it says happy fall, and this is really cute and easy idea that you'd be able to print out and cut this tag out and share it with your clients. Now if you have someone you want to refer to me, I'd be happy to help with the process if they're moving here to the DFW area. That's what I have access to right now as far as my MLS, and I'd be happy to show them around. And we're going to put a hole here right in the middle top. And I have a plastic bag here I found at Kroger, and for a fair price you get like 75 for a good price. But I'm going to use some of this confetti. This is at Family Dollar. And look at this. This is they says it's a limited edition, so hopefully it's in your area as well, but I'm sure you'd be able to find something very close to it. But it is pumpkin spice soft caramel, so I thought that's really cute with following with the theme. And let's get this here. Oh, one other thing, you want to be sure to include your business card. And what I like to do is include a tiny key, and I do sell these as well on my Etsy shop. Okay, there we go. And you can share this with your clients. Give it a good spin there. And let's feed this through the hole. Now, if you are in need, now if you're not a realtor and you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I'd be happy to help you. I'll leave my contact information. You can email me, message me, and we'd be able to set up an appointment so that we can discuss your details of needing to maybe sell a home, buy a home. I do specialize in the residential, and so we can work that out. But here you go. I'm gonna make a bow here quick. There we go. Is this not the cutest? Oh my goodness. Anyway, be happy to help. Thank you for watching.